Hey everybody, it's me, Yensum, and welcome. Today we're diving into something truly special: adoption. Now, adoption has always been this incredible journey of the heart, full of hope, and yes, let's be honest, a whole mountain of paperwork. Alright, let's talk about finding the one, connecting hopeful parents with children waiting for their forever homes. Technology has waved its magic wand: incredible online databases and specialized apps, super smart matchmakers working 24/7. It's about finding real connections. The internet is giving a giant group hug to adoption. Okay, so you've started the journey, you're excited, and then comes the home study. Traditionally, this meant a lot of appointments, a lot of scheduling, and social workers traveling all over the place. But guess what? Technology is here to make it smoother than a fresh jar of peanut butter. We're talking virtual home assessments and digital counseling sessions. You could be doing parts of your home study from the comfort of your own couch. No more taking tons of time off work for every little meeting. Social workers can still get a great sense of your home environment through video tours. And you can have those important conversations without the added stress of constant in-person appointments. This is a game changer, especially for folks who live in rural areas. Paperwork. The not-so-glamorous but oh-so-necessary part of, well, pretty much everything important, right? But hold on to your hats, because technology is swooping in like a superhero with a really good filing system. E-signatures, cloud storage, agency portals. It's like a spa day for your administrative tasks. E-signatures save time and paper. Cloud storage is like a magical, secure filing cabinet you can access from anywhere. You know, families are all about connection. And that's becoming even more beautifully complex and wonderful with open adoptions. This is where children have ongoing contact with their birth families, and it can be such a positive and enriching experience for everyone involved. But how do you navigate that? How do you maintain those important relationships in a way that feels safe, respectful, and manageable? You guessed it. Technology is playing a wonderful role here too, like a friendly bridge between hearts. We're seeing the rise of private family sharing apps and secure messaging platforms designed specifically for these unique relationships. Think of it like your own private, super safe social media just for your adoption circle. These tools allow for a level of ongoing contact that can be tailored to everyone's comfort levels. It's about creating a supportive network around the child, and technology is making that network stronger and easier to maintain. Going through the adoption journey is incredible. It's life-changing. But let's be honest, sometimes it can feel a little isolating. You might have questions that your friends who haven't adopted don't quite get. Or you might be experiencing emotions that feel unique to your situation. Well, guess what? You are so not alone. And technology is like this amazing connector, bringing people together who understand exactly what you're going through. I'm talking about online support groups, and they are a lifeline for so many adoptive parents. Think about it. Forums where you can ask any question, no matter how silly you think it is, and get answers from people who've been there. Zoom meetups where you can see friendly faces, share your stories, and just vent if you need to. All from your living room. It's like having a global village of support available 24/7. Parenthood is a journey of constant learning, isn't it? And when you're an adoptive parent, there can be unique layers, specific things you want to understand better, from navigating trauma-informed parenting to understanding cultural heritage. It's a lot. But the good news is, you don't have to have all the answers right away, and you certainly don't have to figure it all out by yourself. Technology has opened up a whole world of educational resources, like having your own personal adoption university, available whenever and wherever you need it. I'm talking about podcasts and webinars. Oh, I love a good podcast. You can be doing the dishes, going for a walk, or commuting, and you're learning. There are so many incredible podcasts out there hosted by adoption experts, social workers, therapists, and experienced adoptive parents. They share invaluable tips, practical advice, and deeply personal stories that can offer so much insight and perspective. Building a family through adoption is one of the most rewarding things you can do, but let's be real, it can also be an emotional roller coaster. There are incredible highs, and there can be challenging moments too. Navigating the complexities, the waiting, the adjustments, it all takes a toll, and that's why taking care of your own mental health isn't just a good idea, it's absolutely essential. The wonderful news? Technology is making it easier than ever to access vital support right from your fingertips. We're talking about therapy apps and telehealth options. It's like having a therapist in your pocket, or at least easy access to one. And that's our look at how technology is making the adoption journey a little brighter and a lot more supported. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? From finding that perfect match to keeping those important connections strong, tech is really stepping up. Thank you so much for watching, for being here, and for opening your hearts and minds. If you found this video helpful, if it sparked an idea, or if you just want to help spread the love, please do me a favor, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, tell me your thoughts, your experiences, and share this video with anyone you think might benefit. Let's support all kinds of families in all kinds of ways. Remember, whether you're just starting to think about adoption, you're deep in the paperwork phase, or you're navigating life with your wonderful, growing family, technology is here to be your friend.